Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Phantom Wallet to bank account. Now before proceeding into this video, let me clear one thing that Phantom Wallet doesn't actually support the direct bank withdrawals. So you will first need to send your soul to a crypto exchange that allows the fiat withdrawals. It can be any of the exchanges, whether it is Coinbase or Kraken or Binance exchange, any of the exchanges, but you will only be able to basically withdraw your Solana into your bank account from there. So let's say you have an exchange and now you want to send your Solana from your Phantom wallet. For that you need to launch your Phantom wallet, and over here on the home page you need to tap on send. Now select Solana and it will ask you to provide the username or the address. So you need to just copy the deposit address from your exchange and paste it over here. After that, press next in the bottom, and then on the next page you just have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to basically transfer from here. After that you need to press next, and now it will show you the details about this transaction. So you need to review the details like the network is correct or not. Once you are okay with it, you need to simply tap on the send option in the bottom and wait for some time until you get your Solana into your exchange. Now let's say you have sent your Solana from your Phantom wallet to your Binance account. So once you received it successfully, you can just sell it for the fiat currencies. Now in most of the countries the fiat option is available, so if in your country the fiat option is available, you can directly sell your Solana or get the money in your bank account, or you can first convert your Solana into USDT or USD and then you can get the money in your bank account. Now if the withdrawal option is not available in your country, then you can even just select the P2P method, and with that P2P method you can get the money in your PayPal account or bank transfer or any of the payment modes that you select. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.